Hey guys.
What's going on, guys? Bums backs. Back here with Brody. Gonna open a box of the 2021 Panini Prizm draft picks. Take it away, Brody. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, get it going here.
I got
There
it.
you go.
Guess we got it twice.
Alright.
Let's put it back a little
Got a
bit.
2021 blaster here. Other side there. Okay. So there. There you go. Let me put this up.
I already see. How much packs are there? There's a lot.
5 and 6 packs. 5 cards per pack. Alright, open one of these already. This is the first time in the video. Good, Brady opens. Give us a Trevor Lawrence.
Auto.
That'd be nice. I'll take a Trevor Lawrence regular refractor. Alright, pack. Ooh, right off the bat, we got a nice Mac Jones rookie. Marcus would like that. We got a Yavion Hawkins rookie. Ooh, Julio Jones purple prism. The last one we got Hopkins purple prism, so we'll take that with our Hopkins.
Kind of
Very
bad.
nice. They're just, that's how prism cards are. Sometimes they come out warped. And Juju Smith-Schuster. Is that a Kyler Murray? Ooh, and the Kyler Murray. Nice starting pack. Good pack with the Mac Jones rookie right off the top. Keep going, Brody.
Is Mac Jones good?
Heck yeah. On the top quarterback.
I like Tua.
Tua is good. Tua was last year.
Jordan Love.
You notice we got our little Colts in the back there. We got our little Colts PC. Got the team color love going on. The color match prisms.
Got a Notre Dame set going on.
Yeah, definitely everybody knows we're Notre Dame fans.
But
All right.
who is
Top
this?
card, we got a Greg Russo rookie. Rondale Moore, All-Americans rookie. Ooh, we got a green prism of Kadarius Toney. Hey, it's a rookie, so we'll take it.
Is that Notre Dame?
Very nice. That is not. This is Pittsburgh. Tyler Boyd and Josh Jacobs. Not as good as the first one, but not bad at all. I'll take that green refractor rookie. Doink. All right, keep going.
Wait, can you open this real quick? I have a name.
All right.
Oh,
Ready?
yes. It's same. It's
All right, we got Devontae Smith. Very nice. I like Devontae Smith. We got a Rondale Moore rookie. Another green prism of James Robinson, which kind of sucks. We got his green prism in the last one. What are the odds of that? And a Jacob Eason, which is our PC. And James Conner. Not too bad. Let's see a Trevor Lawrence.
hopefully it's in the last pack or something. So we feel bad, but then we boost up good.
I saw that card was a good one.
But you didn't see if it was
Got a
auto.
Nico Collins rookie. Got a Zach Wilson. Very nice. Zach Wilson's All-American. Got a Sam Hellinger. Very nice. Green rookie.
Is that Howard?
Monte Adams. And the last one was Patrick Mahomes. Very nice.
Ooh, he's
Patrick
nice.
Mahomes prism.
Okay. When I open it, I'm not going to show the back this time.
All right. And the way you learn is to do it. All right. Ooh, got a Kyle Trask rookie on top. We got Elijah Moore rookie. I see another refractor in here. Ooh, we got a silver. Who is it? Brandon Ayuk. All right, not bad. 49ers running back. Brandon Ayuk.
Just
When
want
he
to
played
see.
for Arizona State. And we got Chris, who? Your finger's in the way? Chris Godwin and Ben Roethlisberger. Big Ben for the Steelers on the end. All right, Birdie, one more pack for the Prism.
I don't want to show.
Oh, another Mac Jones right on top. Mac Jones box. Very nice. Kadarius Toney box too. Another green. Got a Darren Waller. Joshua Kelly. And the last card is Stephon Diggs. So not bad for the Prism. Not bad at all. Good job, Brody. Come back with some more box breaks later. Bum out.